So you are here because you want to hack a dishwasher? Sounds crazy, right? Due to the introduction of the IoT, every bloody thing is going on the internet. That includes televisions, dishwashers, and even fish tanks. You heard it right, fish tanks. A casino's fish tank was hacked in a famous case due to poor security. Let's see if we can access a dishwasher. I mean the other dishwasher. Today. Well, alright then, I'll open up a CLI prompt and issue an Nmap scan of my local network. That's a lot of IP addresses, so I will filter out unused IPs with a grep filter. This makes it easy for me to read, only showing the IP addresses that are currently live on the network. And there we are. Strange though, my dishwasher was listed there yesterday, but is no longer. So I will use another technique, bettercap. By using the net.probe on and net.show commands, we can see my dishwasher at the .42 address. Great news, as I can now scan my device with Nmap again and find out what ports are available. SSH and HTTPS are exposed, but that is pretty usual for secure communications. I am now going to hit the dishwasher with a huge vulnerability scan, using all the scripts in the Nmap folder, as shown. The above command uses verbose mode, and the output is going to be captured in a separate text file, useful for housekeeping and archiving. Okay, so that has been saved. We can see that with an ls command. Let's read it with a cat command, and as shown, there are a lot of CVE references in there. Let's grab one and check on the internet. Okay, so the page that comes up reveals that this vulnerability has a score of 10. That's pretty huge. This needs to be recorded in your report writing. The last is going to be a Hydra scan, brute force style. I should never be able to access a dishwasher, as this must be a secure device, but hey, let's give it a go with my two list files. It's using SSH, so here we go. That's good news, we cannot get in, which is as it should be. Thanks for watching today. This was just a drive-by video to see if we can hack an IoT device. You are not going to be accessing a casino anytime soon. But keep learning from our channel playlists and videos, and you will soon be at that level. Not the casinos, you understand. Bye for now.